Stop. Before you sign that title or hand over a single dollar for that used Ram 1500, you need to realize something. That pristine truck sitting on the lot, it might be a ticking financial time bomb. Sellers are getting smarter. They know exactly how to mask the sounds and smells of a dying HEMI, just long enough for your check to clear. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the 5 invisible red flags that even experienced buyers miss. If you ignore flag number 3, you're not buying a truck. You're buying someone else's nightmare. Red flag number 1, the pre-warmed engine trap. This is the oldest trick in the book. You arrive at the dealership and the truck is already idling, or the hood feels warm to the touch. Why? Because the infamous HEMI tick, the sound of failing lifters and a ground-down camshaft, is often quietest when the metal has expanded from heat. The test. Never view a Ram unless it's a true cold start. You want to be the one to turn the key after it's sat overnight. If you hear a rhythmic tapping, that doesn't go away after 30 seconds. Walk away. That's the sound of a $5,000 engine teardown. Red flag number 2, the sweet smell of disaster. Walk to the back of the truck while it's running. Do you smell something sweet? Like maple syrup? Most buyers think it's just truck smell. It's not. It's coolant. 5th gen Rams and late 4th gens have a notorious issue with the EGR cooler and plastic heater core bypass valves. But there's a darker secret. If that sweet smell is coming from the exhaust pipe, you're looking at a head gasket failure. Sellers will wash the engine bay to hide the crusty orange leaks, but they can't hide the smell of the exhaust. Trust your nose, not the shiny engine cover. Red flag number 3, the manifold stutter. Listen closely during that cold start. Do you hear a loud, sharp ticking that disappears after the engine warms up? Most sellers will tell you it's just the injectors. They're lying. That is a snapped exhaust manifold bolt. It's a chronic Ram plague. While the part is cheap, the labor is a nightmare, often requiring the heads to be pulled if the bolt is snapped flush. Use a flashlight. Look at the back of the manifold near the firewall. If you see black soot or missing bolt heads, that's a $1,000 negotiation point right there. Red flag number 4, the oil density deception. This is the pro scam. A seller knows the lifters are starting to go, so they drain the recommended 5W20 oil and slap in a thick 15W50 or even gear honey. It quiets the engine, making it sound smooth to an untrained ear. The investigative tip: check the oil dipstick. If the oil looks unusually thick, or if the oil filter looks brand new but the rest of the engine is dusty, ask for the service records. If they can't prove they use the manufacturer spec synthetic oil, assume they're hiding a mechanical terminal illness. Buying a Ram is an investment in power and capability, but only if you buy the right one. Don't let a detailed interior and a tire shine job blind you to the mechanical reality. The HEMI is a legendary engine, but it demands respect and honest maintenance. If you're looking at a specific year and want to know the exact hidden recall list for that VIN, drop the year in the comments below. I'm tracking the failure rates of the 2019 to 2024 models, and the data might surprise you. Don't get scammed. Inspect, verify, and then drive. I'll see you in the next one.